came to Mbarara to make those statements from Mbarara. Of course, he could have addressed the press from anywhere about that incident, but he came to Mbarara. I am now increasingly convinced that what we have been hearing, what I was hearing, is what happened in Mbarara. Of police intention, especially after everybody has condemned them for their brutality and beating and peaceful and innocent citizens and provoked. It's something that we have had. Police is doing everything within their power to project us as people who are violent, as people who are unlawful, all matters which are wrong. Violence in this country is the work of state institutions. I believe now, having noted what happened in Mbarara and what the IGP is saying, that the work of throwing stones in Mbarara is most likely the work of the police itself. Smoke screen to say, you see, the reason we are beating up people is because sometimes they throw stones at us. We are going to investigate that incident to establish who exactly threw those stones. And I believe from our supporters, we can easily find out. And